Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. For those who have been complaining about the Algo funds testnet, I know a lot of people have been finding it hard to get the free testnet token for Algo, that's to dispense. They've been complaining that they have issues with dispensing. So what I did is I tried the other means to see if there's other way we can actually work out the testnet and see if it will work, and I was able to work around it, and fortunately enough I was able to get it. So now I'll be showing you guys how to go about that. And once again, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below this video, and also turn on notifications so that you can always see my videos once they drop. Yeah, and don't forget to also share the videos with family and friends as well, so as to help them gain from these too. So I'll be showing you how to go about dispensing Algo. This is my Algorand wallet, that's the application now, not my Algo. So I'm using the my Algo wallet. That's on your phone, it might be showing Pera wallet. So currently now what I did was come here, come to settings. Here, this is settings. So that's settings. You click on settings, you go down, you see developer settings. Click on developer settings. The reason why you're saying this, for your own it will be on mainnet, so this is how it will look like. You see this node settings, this is what you see, this is what you see. Then you click on node settings, then you change it to testnet. Once you change it to testnet, you now come to Algo dispenser. You must have make sure you copy your wallet address before you come here. So you now come here. Okay, let me copy my wallet address first. Sorry for not showing you that earlier. Let me copy my wallet address. You can see this one, I already have testnet for this wallet, this one as well. So let me copy. I don't know if they will give me more testnet now though, but let me just try it. But I'm sure for you should get, hopefully. So let's go back to developer settings, Algo dispenser, Chrome. I'm using Chrome. So you make sure you click "You are not a robot" first up here. This is it. Make sure you click here. Once you click "You are not a robot," then now click this search button here, this box. Yeah, you click on it, you paste your address here, then you come and click dispense. This is dispense. You click dispense. You can see you should status code 200 success. So that means I've gotten. Let me now go and check. You know, I was having 11 in the wallet I used. So let's go back now. You can see 10 algos were sent by so thing. You can see. So I've gotten the algo now. So now it's 21, as you can see. It's now 21. So for those that have been having that issues, this is it. So let me take us back to, I know some people have been complaining, oh, I've not been able to do the farming of Algo funds. I've not been able to run the farming. Let me show you how to go about farming. To run the farming, let's go to Algo wallet. No, I'm not using this wallet. I'm going using Chrome. So you come to Chrome here. Once you come to this Chrome, come here. You use testnet. You can see it's testnet.tinyman.org. This was the one I run actually. Then you come here. Once you get to testnet.tinyman.org, you now come to pool. You come down, you click on add liquidity. Add liquidity. So now you search. Click on this search button. Click on see all. Hide on verify on ticket. And search for Algo. So this is Algo font. You click on Algo font. Then you already have testnet for Algo. Click even 1 or 2, any amount. Always use little amount so that you won't have the same issue you are having for Algo dispenser. You always keep some Algo for future testnets. So I'm using only 2 for the sake of this guide. So I'll be using add. You now click add liquidity. Then now confirm supply. For your own, if you've not done it before, it will ask you to opt in first. So once you opt in, after opting in, then it will ask you to swap, then you confirm supply. Yes, to add liquidity, then you confirm supply. You still sign, continue, sign. Yeah, so you can see it's signing, sending transaction. Yep, done sending transaction. Then we'll go back to that Algo Funds Testnet wallet. Then this is farming. You can see this is farming. So you now click stake. Click stake. Click 25%. You can see now it's showing because I've already added liquidity. You cannot farm when you don't add liquidity. So that's the difference between staking and farming. For staking, you don't need to add liquidity before you can stake. But for farming, you must add liquidity. Liquidity is what gives you the reward when you want to farm. So it's like you saying you didn't plant anything, but you want to go and harvest. How is that possible? So that's how farming is. So you click on stake. You still sign the transaction too. So that's it. You can see everything is working fine now. So that's it. I'm sure this clears most of your questions. A lot of people have been I cannot find, I don't have Algo Testnet, I've not been able to, and the dispenser is not working, this, and finally now it's working. So once you stake, if you like, you can still withdraw just to show that you tried every transaction and it's working. Withdraw, claim. You can even claim this reward that you are seeing here, but it's still testnet, so it's not as if you can actually use it. You can just claim, just to show that just to know that everything is working on this site perfectly. So I've signed it. Transaction pending. Yep, that's it. It's done. So everything is okay now. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on notification, like, and please share this video with your friends and family as well. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time, and God bless you. God bless you as you share my video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.